Hi, I'm Sam from Soudal and I'm going to show you how to use our Repair Express cement product. Now, this product is a quick and easy way to fill your holes and cracks in cement and concrete or repair pointing to your brickwork either inside or outside. Now, it comes in either a 290ml cartridge or a 900ml tub, and there's currently two colour options, grey and beige. Right, I'm just applying the cement into the gap so it fills it out nicely. Now, this is an acrylic based polymer with a granular texture that really replicates the appearance of mortar. Now, it can be applied using a cartridge like I'm doing, or you can use a trowel or a putty knife. It's a really versatile product designed for high speed repair, so there's no need to mix it with any sand or actual cement. Now I'm going to finish these off with a wet pointing tool, or you can use your finger. This really helps to embed the product into the joint so you get a nice smooth finish beside any existing mortar. Now the product sticks really well, it cures quickly, and it doesn't shrink. Once it's fully dried, you can sand it down, paint over it, or if you like, leave it as it is. Of course, we've also got Repair Express cement in beige. Here you can see the difference between the two colours. You might need to do a few goes at this to fill up the crack completely. But once that's done, you can go back to smoothing it over, either with the tool or with your finger. Again, embedding it in, get a nice smooth finish. Repair Express beige. Now, if you get any of the product on your tools or on your hands, it's very simple. Just clean it away with some water or use one of our Swipe-X wipes. Now, with this product, there's no time wasted, just a quick, clean, simple repair with Repair Express cement.